back to filling it up with Ollies review. Ollies is good stuff cheap, and it's got some really cool stuff in it. Ollies is a really cool store. Got tons of weird stuff. But some of this stuff I got was basic. One of the things I got was this magnetic charging cable. It says it snaps into place, and it was only $4.99. So we shall see. My cat keeps eating my cords, so this one looks kind of thick, and so far the cat hasn't eaten thick cords. It only eats like thin cords. So let's go test this out and see what happens. Okay, so plugging it in. I don't know what they mean by it snaps into place. I don't know what they mean. I guess it means that since it's magnetic, it's, can you tell? Trying to see if there's something metal. Okay, so like, it's, so it's magnetic, so I guess it stays snaps into place. I don't understand the whole snap into place thing, but we'll see how fast it charges. And I'll get back to you on this. But for $4.99, it's not bad price. All the other ones I saw were like 10, 15, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this in, and I'm going to see how fast it charges. And I will get back to you and let you know how it goes.
2 hours later.
So it was like, I gave it like an hour and a half, and it was at 100%. So, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thumbs up to the magnetic cable for $4.99 from Ollies. Good stuff, cheap. Anyway, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, whatever. Gotta get to work. Stay safe and check out my other videos. Bye, guys.